What's going on, guys? It's Mark Fernandez here, and today we're going to be having a quick look at the top 5 favorite things that I like about my new truck, my ute, my D22 Nissan Navara. So let's get straight into the first one. To help me here today, I've got my trusty El Capitan out for a little bit of a drive. With all the restrictions that are being reduced, we're able to get out a little bit more. So here she is. Stella is out here helping us with the navigation today, having a little bit of a drive around while we do today's video. So the first thing that I really like about the interior is the fact that it is hard plastics, and it doesn't have any of the plush leathers that a lot of the new utes have. And for me, that's a good thing. It's easy to clean, and if it gets a little bit banged up, I don't really mind. So you can see here that this is what the interior looks like. We've got some different mismatched colors here, which is okay. I don't mind that, but it's very hard wearing. The interior layout is very nice. I like the fact that we have all these different levers here, very old school style, and I think Stella would agree. They work really nice, really tactile, which I like. I don't like all the digital readouts that they have now. Everything is also within arm's reach, so I can easily click any of the music that I have. I can flick through, pause, play, do all that stuff within arm's reach without having to lean forward. All my gear sticks are all here, easy to reach as well. The one thing that isn't that great about the layout is how low that this armrest is. Okay, so having to lean all the way down there isn't great. I will be fixing that, but yeah, that's probably the only gripe that I have. But apart from that, guys, really happy with the layout of the interior in here. Everything has function over form. So I'm very fortunate because the way that I bought this ute was with the canopy on top of the tray already, which saved me quite a lot of money. I like the layout of the tray. It's pretty generous size for a dual cab ute. And yeah, I just really enjoy the way that it's laid out, and the fact that the top of the roof is load bearing, that roof rack. So that's quite helpful as well. So the third thing that I really like about this ute is the stance. So I think it's got a 2.5 to 3 inch lift. And then combine that with the bigger tires has made for quite an aggressive stance. And that kind of leads on to the fourth thing that I really like is the bull bar. The bull bar somehow gives it a little bit of a nicer stance as well, with the way that that it cuts off at the side so you can see more of the tire, and it gives it a really aggressive look that I really enjoy. So guys, the fifth thing, the last thing that I really enjoy about this ute is the fact that it's got really good clearance. Now, I watch a lot of other YouTubers like Andrew St. Pierre White, and he talks a bit about clearance and how that should be a really good deciding point for purchasing a ute or a four-wheel drive. Now, for me, I'll be honest, when I first bought this ute, I wasn't looking at the clearance because I was purchasing this purely for the tray and the functionality of that, and I got it at such a good price that I didn't turn it down. But yeah, so to be able to get the tray was a really big thing for me. And I bought the tray purely for transporting things from one place to another. And then I knew that there would be some light four-wheel drive duties coming up. So now I really enjoy and I appreciate the fact that there is really good clearance on this ute. And if I were to buy another ute, I would be looking for, or another four-wheel drive, I would be looking for that clearance to make sure that it can get over. Even you'll be surprised at how low some of the utes are these days. Even just having a quick peek under some of the utes, you'll see that some of the clearances aren't as much as you would think. But this ute I'm quite happy with, and it will serve my purpose. So guys, that's the end of today's video. It's a very quick video, but thanks for joining Stella and I. We're still doing a video a week, and this is Stella. This is the one of 2 dogs that I have, and you'll see a little bit of her, and you'll probably see a lot more of Ginger, just because Ginger likes to go for a little bit more adventures. But you're a little bit more of a house dog, aren't you, Stell? But that's okay. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video next week. Thanks for watching. So this is probably going to make the blooper reel, but I'm just driving around and there's all these birds everywhere for whatever reason. There's a lot more before, but there you have it. Whatever reason, bunch of birds over here. But anyway, weird things are happening. Hope you guys are safe. I'll see you in the next video. See you next week.